Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about this JBL Extreme 3 portable speaker. It's a rechargeable speaker. The reason I bought it is for down in my shed. I've only got I haven't got mains power down here, so when I'm using the gym, it's nice to have some sounds down here. So I thought I'd go for this. It costs around about £299. It's got two side firing passive radiators. It's rated at 100 watts, Bluetooth only. There's two speakers on the front and two tweeters. It comes with a charger. It's fully waterproof as well. You can actually, even if you chuck it in a swimming pool, it'll still work. So to turn it on, press this button here. Makes that sound. So I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to do a few little quick sound checks, just so you can hear what it sounds like. So just give me 1 second and I'll find out some music. Alright, so I'm going to use the iPad. Use my Face ID. Right, so I've already connected to it through Bluetooth. I'll just quickly show you something as well. There is an app for it, so that's the app. Actually, have I connected to it? Oh no, I'm not connected. So you press that. That's it. So that sound means it's connected. And then the app will come up. So on the app, all you can really do on the app is update the software. There's nothing else you can really do on it. So I go to Amazon Music, play a few demos. I'll probably have to start and stop this, so just so I don't get done for copyright. So I'll get a tune on, I'll play 10 seconds, and I'll put another tune on, play 10 seconds. I'll try that, see if I get away with it. Right, so I've got the volume on about 50%. I'll try this. Right then, so that was a few sound samples. I don't know if I'll get copyright, strike against me. They might silence it out. But I will say as well, all them clips that I just played, none of them was in HD. They was all standard definition. I'd actually downloaded them, and I hadn't used the graphic equalizer either. That was just flat. Because on the Amazon app, on the Amazon Music anyway, you can actually let's just have a look at this. Yeah, if you press them little dots in the corner, actually it doesn't do it on the iPad. If you do it on the phone, there is a graphic equalizer where you can put like rock, dance, gives it a little bit more bass, a little bit more treble, that sort of stuff. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Just a quick sort of close up of the JBL. Is it worth £300? I don't know. £300 is quite a lot of money, but it does sound really good for how compact it is. I mean, it's kind of hard to put it into perspective, but that's how big it is compared to my hand. But then again, that's not really comparing anything because you don't know how big my hand is. But yeah, it's a decent speaker. And I say in this day and age, things are so expensive. I mean, they do a bigger version of this, the big sort of like it's like a sort of ghetto blaster thing. I think it's about £500, which is a lot of money. But for £299, I mean, if you get it on deal, if you can get it for about 200 quid, then yeah, it's definitely worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.